the Mac Mini M5 could be Apple's most powerful compact desktop yet, but how much of it is actually real? And how much is just hype? Today, we're verifying the latest leaks using trusted sources like Mac rumors and reports from Mark Gurman. Let's start with performance, because that's where the biggest upgrade is expected. According to multiple reports, Apple is working on new M5 and M5 Pro chips for the Mac Mini, built on a more advanced process. This could bring significantly faster CPU speeds, up to 45% better GPU performance, and major improvements in AI processing. That means tasks like video editing, coding, and even AI workloads could run much faster than current models. While exact benchmarks aren't confirmed, one thing we can verify is Apple's consistent year-over-year chip improvements, so a performance jump here is very likely. Now let's talk about memory and storage. Leaks suggest Apple may finally increase the base configuration to 16 gigabytes of unified memory and 512 gigabytes of storage, which would be a big step up from previous entry models. On higher-end configurations, especially the Pro variant, reports indicate support for up to 64 gigabytes RAM and multiple terabytes of SSD storage, making it suitable for professional workflows. This aligns with Apple's recent push toward more powerful baseline specs across its lineup. Next up, ports and connectivity. According to reports, the Mac Mini M5 could include Thunderbolt 5 support, faster data transfer speeds, and possibly Wi-Fi 7, improving both wired and wireless performance. For creators and professionals, this means faster file transfers, better support for external displays, and improved overall workflow efficiency, while the exact port layout isn't confirmed. Now let's talk about design, because this is where expectations need to be realistic. Most leaks suggest that Apple will keep the same compact aluminum design introduced in recent Mac Mini models. That means no major visual redesign, but a continued focus on performance inside a small form factor. Apple typically doesn't change Mac Mini designs frequently, so this lines up with their usual strategy. Another important area is AI and software. Reports suggest Apple is focusing heavily on on-device AI processing, and the M5 chip is expected to play a key role in that. This could improve features like voice processing, real-time editing, and smarter system-level tasks. With Apple pushing more into AI across macOS and iOS, this is one upgrade that feels very likely. Now let's talk about release timing. Based on multiple reports, including insights from Mark Gurman, the Mac Mini M5 is expected to launch sometime around mid to late 2026. However, timelines can always shift depending on production and chip readiness, so this isn't guaranteed. And finally, let's do a quick reality check. Everything we've discussed, M5 performance, RAM upgrades, Thunderbolt 5, AI improvements, is based on leaks and industry reports. Guys, subscribe. The Upgrade Zone for next video.